This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Good morning everyone, this is video number 10 from our Excel course. I hope you find it well. In this video we're going to show one more function, match function. This function searches for a given value within certain range or array, and when the searching match, it returns the position of the searched value in the given array. This function takes three arguments. The first argument is a lookup value. What are you looking for? Second argument is a lookup array. Where are you looking at? Third argument is a match type. And for match type you have three choices: 0, -1 and +1. Use 0 for exact match, 1 and -1 for the nearest value. They are very powerful choices if used properly. I will show you how. For example, here we have a list of circuit breakers starting from 1 to 5 ending with 16 ampere breakers. And we want to use this function. So when I tell the circuit breaker rating, it returns its location. The first argument here is a lookup value, which is 80. Second argument is a lookup array, which is column PP. Third argument is a match type, and we here use 0 for exact match. So the function takes this 80 and search for it in column PP, and when it finds its exact match, the function will see the row number, and this is the value to be returned. Again for match types, 0 for exact match, 1 find the largest value that is less than or equal to lookup value. Lookup array must be placed in ascending order. -1 find the smallest value that is greater than or equal to lookup value. Lookup array must be placed in descending order. So for the same example here, if we have circuit breaker, we are searching for 70. 70 is not listed at all. So how does the function works? The lookup value is 70 now. Lookup array is the same. The third argument is -1, which is for match type. It finds the smallest value that is greater than or equal to lookup value. Now to understand this, who is greater than 70? We have three numbers greater than 70, 80, 100, and 1 to 5. So the function now will find the smallest one of them, which is 80. So the function will see its row number, and that is the value to be returned. Let's see it in Excel sheet. So here we are. The circuit breaker list as shown here, and we will use match functions 3 times. For exact match, for -1 match, for +1 match. For exact match, we say equal match between two branches. I start giving our 3 arguments. The first argument is 80. Second argument is column PP. Third argument is 0 for exact match. It returns 5. That's because 80 is located here in row number 5. For -1 match, I say the same function, equal match in two branches. Lookup value is here the 70. Lookup array is column PP, and -1 for searching the smallest value that is greater than or equals to 70. Values is greater than 70, we have 1 to 5 and 180. Smallest one of them is 80, which is located in row number 5, and that is the value returned. For match with +1, we say equal match between two branches. I give the lookup value, which is 70 here. lookup array is column pp and positive 1. Now it gives 10. Positive 1 search for the largest value that is less than or equal to 70. Values is less than or equal to 70 is from 63 to 16. The largest value of them is 63. So why didn't the function return 6 and it returned 10? That's because the hint we said before. When we use match type positive 1, you must place your list in ascending order. So if I choose this list and sort it in ascending order, the function now returns 7. 7 here is a row number of 63, which is the largest value, smaller than or equals to 70. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you next one.